You've decided to list your home for sale and you have your first showing? But what do you do next? Today, I'm going to share 4 things to do to get your home ready for its first showing. I'm Maureen Folan, and this is A Moment with Maureen. So tip number 1, you want to declutter and depersonalize your home as much as possible. Some major suggestions would be tabletops to be clear, countertops to be clear. Remove as many items from your home as possible so that way when buyers walk in, they get this open feel and they're able to envision themselves and their family living there. And that also includes putting your personal items away, such as watches, jewelry. Put them into your closet where they're not easily accessible. Tip number 2 is you want your home to look as clean as possible. Now I know everyone has a different standard of cleaning. My husband's standard of cleaning is very different to mine. So my suggestions would be that beds are always made, that the carpets have been recently vacuumed, and that windows are crystal clear. Tip number 3. We all know that you love your pet, but let's just make sure that they're cleaned up before the showing. So if you have a dog, you want to take the dog for a walk. You have a cat box, you want to make sure that litter is cleaned out. Bird cage, same thing, and the fish tank is immaculate. Tip number 4. You want to create a nice warm atmosphere so when people come into your home they feel comfortable and they don't want to leave. So some suggestions would be always open up blinds to make it bright, turn on nice soft lamps just to create a cozy feel as they walk through your home. Maybe have some soft music playing in the background. If you have a fireplace, you may want to light that fire, only in the winter months. Treat this like you were throwing a party. You want it to be memorable and you want people to have a good time. So these are just a few tips on what I would suggest getting your home ready, but there's a lot more that goes into it and I'd be happy to share those with you. So feel free to give me a call and I will walk you through the whole process. Thanks so much for watching this episode of A Moment with Maureen. If there's any other questions that you have, feel free to comment below, send me a private message. I'm happy to help. Until next time, all the best.